Hi! We are Hexlibrium, a play-to-learn and earn game. About 6 years ago we had this dream to make blockchain game to provide nodes to the community, and now is time to evolve. We are address the problem of lack of games in the Web3 space to teach financial literacy through code in a meaningful history. It is a synergetic open world building blocks experience to create new sustainable worlds. We aim to show the history of how the technology has evolved from the oldest book of humankind, the I Ching, to the players, meet new people, develop strategic skill and earn passive income. NFTs and blockchains have been all over the internet in the form of art, games and others, but we believe there's still a next step to be reached, and we've come to take that leap. Hexlibrium is our take on what this next step is, turning the idea of playing a video game from just being fun to being a fun and efficient learning mechanism, and to do that we've united ancient studies with modern technology, mixing I Ching with the most recent blockchain techs into something completely new. Our main goal is to deliver a product that teaches, through resource management and exploration, financial literacy to player. The game exists in 3 levels. The first one is all about the process of creation and destruction, which is driven by the interaction of the 5 legendaries, that happens in a boudoir-filled view. The second is about exploring planets, driven by the challenge of evolving and surviving through gathering resources to build technology in a surface planet view. The third is related to traveling and discovering new universes through aerospace technology and opening gates to connect with other dimensions. The journey begins by taking your single-player profile as a digital twin to deliver a personalized experience. On the planets, the player will be guided by following the magical being that will guide the player to find hidden keys that will give access to connect with other players. In addition, the player will be supported by the robot to help him collect resources and build technology, while the player helps him to evolve his consciousness by opening new codes contained in his metal. In the beginning, use the legendaries to deploy new lands in your dimension. It's a 6-round game using a random number by the blockchain oracle. In the creation and destruction process, geolocation and weather coming from the oracle are used. In the end, the player will be able to travel through all the planets using their technologies, also to teleport to new dimensions to find friends using a mind-blowing racing experience using teleportation technologies through portals. We aim to rescue that what was lost a long time ago, which are the studies of the sacred geometry, in a way that will bring value to the players' lives. Hexlibrium is a magic circle to engage people in the learn process experience. In this universe, the game exists in a scenario of intergalactic expansion, in which each player are invited to travel through dimension, explore new planets and earn lands. A systematic game oriented towards a comprehensive understanding of the I Ching and its application in the human and technological through a sacred geometry universe. Welcome to the game player. At first, use your robots to collect resources and build technologies by programming them with a visual programming language. The visual interface guides the player through the process of learning how to use robots to execute smart contracts to build technologies and collect resources. From the beginner, the player will receive 1 dimension and they are invited to create new worlds by using their legendaries. Each interaction of the legendaries will result in the creation or destruction of a new land with unique geolocation and weather features coming from the blockchain oracle API, Chainlink. The new terrain will be deployed to the dimension as an NFT and will be able to be mounted on one of the 11 planets and explored to mine resources. After assembling the worlds, the player will be able to explore the environment and start his journey to collect resources and build technology to travel between planets and dimensions through vehicles and gates. The player will be guided by a magical being created as a unique NFT with features from geolocation and weather. Also, the player will receive a NFT Tamagotchi robot to help him execute tasks and open new code features. The player Prola is a game asset in a form of metal in which they can use to give life to their robot by attaching on the back of the robot. To keep the balance in their universe, the players need to find the programmer partner in order to prevent the extinction of his dimension. That needs specifically keys just can be created by another players in others' dimensions. Thank you. Join us,